Hi teacher, my name is Laura Daniela Correa and then I talk about the business model Canva. Okay, this is my business model Canva. Start for the key alias. The key alias, among the main key alias, there must be those who provide the connection that must be facilitated with the cloud. That you must also have a very personality with a good internet access, with a good GPS that facilitates the location and help some people that be complicated for some drivers or passengers. For the key activities are the manufacture of high quality vehicles, the integration of digital service, and the sale and export of vehicles. The most important of the business model is the value proposal, that is the driver and passenger experience of being able to the access a large number of cloud service and directly from the comfort of the car that presents and the facilitating the driver task to travel in time and real-time location and making the trip more attractive. The relationship with the client, the main relationship is the possibility of living a different experience in which technology that I use is a different experience for each technological comforts that make the trajectory more satisfactory. The customer segment is very important because it is the mainly of the people who have economic comfort since accessing this service is quite expensive for all the benefits it brings and also because cutting edge technology is always expensive. The principal channels are the web page, the social networks, the email, and the physical point that provides the cards and the service that present. The key resources are very important in this segment, that is, you will have the control of the business model and resources handled to the allies and the technology that is handled. And the cost structure is the important and it is the cost of the raw material in fuels, in payment of the technology association and the models that to be taken account. And for the end, the income structure is the income represent the profit that we have and where is a car result. All the spare parts when a car needs a repair in some authorized price and the publicity that obtained with other things. And for the conclusion, for the business model, it's very important to take account some different things like some story and the advantage and disadvantage of some different things of topic that present some different space of the life.